Hello and welcome to another episode of Now There's a Thought from the Lonely Seat. Born on August the 4th was Helen Thomas, American journalist. This quotation is quite apt for current times. She said this: "I don't think a tough question is disrespectful." Well, it's not. It's just someone trying to get to the truth. And the fact that it's tough actually means it's probably harder to get to the truth. To those who think themselves cut out to govern those who seek fairness, help and kindness and care for the needy and the weak. Too many think they're some kind of god, set themselves on high, grow angry when they're questioned. "How dare you question me?" they cry. They seem to forget they're there to serve, demanding respect at every turn. But here's the thing they do not know: respect has to be earned. There's a thought.